Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change audio speed of a video on Inshot application. Alright guys, let's get into it. Here I have imported my video to my Inshot project, and if we want to change the audio speed of a video, we have to change the speed of the video first. So we can click on the speed option, and you have to select the speed that you want to apply to your audio. For example, I'm going to make my audio 2 times faster. Then after that, we can click on the check mark, and we're going to extract the audio from the video. We can go to a volume option and just click on this extract audio option. Okay, and now the audio has been extracted, and the audio has been two times faster. And I'm going to click on the check mark, and I'm going to make the video back to the normal speed. We can click on the speed, and then I'm going to select normal. And now the speed of the audio has been changed. It has been faster, but the video is still in the normal speed. Alright guys, and that's how we can change the audio speed of a video on InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.